Hey everyone. So a couple of years ago I was contacted by Hollyland. What would it be for me to buy one of their products? I had a lot of doubt about whether or not I wanted to buy their dual microphone system. But in the end, I did. I bought the Hollyland Lark 150 and it's amazing. Got a second set. Ta-da! They are very good, and I've used it for a lot of my videography work. I've done it. I've used it for lots of YouTube channel videos for clients. Almost everything I do nowadays is using this kit, and whether I use it on a boom mic, shotgun, or as a lavalier like I'm currently wearing, as it turns out, I was contacted I've been contacted since I actually purchased the item, and they asked me whether I would review and give feedback on this item and what would I do to make it better for future products. There's some shortcomings, as there is with all 2.4G wireless transmission systems. There is interference, there is issues of line of sight, and if the talent is too far away or not facing the receiver, you'll lose the audio. So I gave them this feedback, and I said to them, if I was to make it again, I would consider those sort of things. I also said about the safety track not being configurable was a shortcoming. In my opinion, it's only 6 dB difference, and I would rather the safety track have a control on it, whether I could put down to like 10 dB or 8 dB to recover that sort of audio level. So the exciting thing is, they haven't told me what it is, but they've sent me a package. And I have opened it, but I haven't actually opened it beyond the cardboard box. Okay, so we've got this thing from Hollyland, and it's called the Lark Max all-in-one wireless lavalier microphone system. Oh, wait. So we have, these are lavalier microphones black. Wonderful. So it's a reliable wireless experience. That's what it says on the outside. What else do we have? Okay, that's the front. What else can I see? Well, it's got a similar interface to the old Lark 150. What can I see there? Okay, it's missing that second dial. So I'm gonna unbox it now. Okay, so that's interesting. Here, I'm seeing that it says made for iPhone, iPad, but nothing about Android. I'm an Android user, so... Okay, so it says studio quality audio, professional ENC, 14-hour recording, and 820 foot, 250 meter line of sight range. How does this open? This opens like that. And what do we have here? We have a little, here we are for you. Okay, so we have in here some little bits of paper. Okay, so we have this weird feeling. Okay, so it's got this little strappy thing. Don't know what, anything else in here? I'm not sure how you're picking this up. It's very black, but with this sort of weird texture, and this is kind of spongy. I don't know. I mean, the old Lark is much smaller. Oh, it's a waterproof zipper. Okay, as so. Okay, so we have a much smaller package. I mean, this is already small, but let's see how this is. Lots of plastic here. Yeah, it'd be nicer if it was paper, but not to tear it all. Okay. Kind of sticky. Okay, so compared with the other one, actually it feels heavier. Okay, 0. Right, the old set, 278 grams, 277 grams, which in ounces is 9.8 ounces. The new set is 327, which in old money is 11.55 ounces. We had the same issue before. I remember reading a lot of people complaining about this. They weren't charging, but that's because the contacts have been isolated so they don't cause problems in transit. Okay, cool. It's got a USB-C charging port, so you don't have to. So you can charge this on the go. So you can actually leave this somewhere now. I don't have to worry about the battery life of this microphone. It will actually keep going. And I'm seeing here there's a record button. Does this mean it has an on-chip recording device? That is pretty cool. This is one of the things I did say that would be good, because if you break line of sight, you will lose recording, and then you can't recover that because it's never got picked up. So point out this other thing. We've got a little tablet here, metal tablet, so you could put the magnet on. That's awesome. The old Lark, we have a sort of the jack would have a little plug to go in, and that would be the dead cat. But this, there's a big capsule, and this rubber, as you can see, actually, you can see it's only got a little bit in the middle, so the capsule is actually only in the middle there. Okay, the batteries are fully charged. The case is at 94%. What can we do on the menu? Okay, so we have record mode. So we have the mono safety track. So what's the safety track? Has that got any touch screen? Mic settings, mic gain. So can I? Okay, we've got touch control there. That's great. Phone speaker. Okay, equalizer. Okay, so we can do a low cut, vocal boost. These are really cool features, actually. Didn't have that on the other one. System settings. Bearing, brightness, upgrade mode, great. What's this, language? Okay, factory reset and version info. Okay, so this is firmware 1.03.85. Okay, cool. Oh, actually, there's more info there. Mic versions, okay, and serial number and whatever that is. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's pretty awesome. One more thing I should look at in here, the spongy case that I was mentioning earlier. We've got the ZCAT, a 4-pole to 3-pole, the 3-pole to 3-pole. Okay, this is a USB-A to USB-C. This is a USB-C to USB-C, Type-C to C. Patch cable, it says here on the label. So many exciting things in here. Okay, what could this be? It's got a sealed thing, but okay. So this is a, okay, right, awesome. So what I assume this is another patch cable, but this is from Lightning to Type-C cable. It's kind of a nice rubbery feeling to it, actually. It's quite tactile. So we have two of these. So I guess these go with your phone, but they don't make any point of telling you about whether or not it works with Android. Okay, so the receiver here. So we have a USB-C, a monitoring jack, a power, and I guess it's a lock button, and then this is a line out. And then we have the clip that we had on the other one, which is really good. It fits nicely on the hot shoe. So let's go out in the field and test this out. Hey, it's Editing Neil here. I am currently finishing up this video, and I forgot to ask, can anyone leave a question or a comment as to whether you found this video helpful, informative, or if you have any questions about where this should go next. I'm currently thinking of testing some of the features that the Lark Max has, and I hope to publish that video in the next couple of days, so to give some sort of insight as to how good this unit is. So far I've already tested it and I can say it's quite good, but for now please leave a comment below and I'll endeavour to try and get that included in the next video. See you then, bye.